Hi, this is Gail, and this is our countdown to the end of Module 5. We have 8 hours and 27 minutes or so left. What I'd like to do in this little video is I would like to go to our discussion board, and everyone has responded to it for your initial response. What I do see is I do see that there are times when I'm in the discussion forum and I respond to you and I ask you a question or I may make a comment. And I do see that some of you respond back to me. So then I went around and I just sort of checked around and I noticed that there are others of your classmates that are responding to you without being responded back to. So let me have you consider this. In the announcements, I included, this is, the thing is, I included down here a little bit. I'm going to pause you for a second so you don't have to watch this. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll bring this up, I'll drag this up. But this is a little biteable about discussion and how you might respond to discussion. So it's sort of like you're walking along the street and you see someone and someone says hi. Do you walk on by? Usually you don't. You might smile at them or you might say hello or whatever it might be. But the point is you engage in some kind of communication with someone who says something to you. You don't walk by. And so that's the same type of a thing in an online environment. You want to make absolutely sure that you're engaging with everyone. So if I'm in there and I ask you a question, you respond to it. That's good advice in general for your courses, in your program, and to respond to your peers. So you want to make sure that you do that. So I just moved it up here. I also want to show you that I have a little biteable in here about the takeaways I took from week 5's writing strategies. Now this is very important because there's a change in time in here. So, and this is not released to you yet. It will be on Monday. But so instead of being at 7 o'clock, it's at 3 o'clock. So you want to make absolutely sure you make note of that change. And then these are things that are coming up for Module 6. So, and you will see this. This has already been posted as well. So you want to make absolutely sure that you are taking a look at these various resources, and absolutely super job with what everyone is doing. I'm really, really proud of each of you. There's, some people are growing quicker than others, but everyone is growing, and you're doing a good job. You want to make also absolutely sure that you are contacting the Writing Center. The Writing Center is a good place to go to because even if you are a good writer, the Writing Center will give you feedback based on what is required academically in Southern New Hampshire University. So wrapping it all up, you might want to consider going back into the discussion forum and taking a look at who's asking you questions and respond to them. And if you have any questions at all, just let me know.